Welcome to my site. My name is Buddy McLaurin, and I'm the owner of Home CNC Resource, a site designed to help home crafters integrate a CNC into their shop. I've been a CNC machinist by profession since 2005. Before that, I hadn't touched a CNC. I didn't take any CNC related classes in high school or college, as I was on a very different track. In high school, I was going to be a doctor. And shortly after I started college, I changed my major to computer science. Neither one of those really worked out for me. I started woodworking and wood turning in 2009. Originally, I didn't want to do anything but hand tool woodworking. I figured I spent enough time standing in front of machines at work. I didn't want to do it with my hobby too. Plus, I was working in a spare bedroom in our apartment when I first started, so my space and my budget were severely limited. While I still really enjoyed working with my hand planes and my drills, it wasn't sustainable as a business. We've been selling our crafts since 2014, but it hadn't been enough volume to be profitable, so we were on the hunt for more ways to succeed. We decided to add a CNC to expand our product lines. I also wanted to get the most out of it that I could, though, because it was a significant investment. My wife pointed out to me then that because of my job, I was in an ideal position to help other hobbyists by combining my hobby and my profession, and the idea for this site was born. Everything I've learned about using a CNC has been from experience, and that's how I'm going to structure this site. My content won't be set up like classroom lessons going through everything you need to know in textbook order. I'll teach you what you need to get through the project that I'm covering. Now that you know a little about me, let me quickly introduce you to my family. I've been married to my wife Margaret since 2007. She helps behind the scenes here, plus runs her own crochet and homeschooling blogs. She's a very busy person. If you see a phantom hand from off camera, my house isn't haunted. It's just her. Together we have 5 kids, with a 6th on the way. Did I mention my wife is a busy person? If you hear what sounds like a herd of stampeding rhinoceros during a video, it's just the kids running around upstairs. They're usually the source of most of the odd noises in our house. I found it sometimes better not to ask. For the foreseeable future, my CNC lives in my small basement laundry room. My mini barn shop isn't climate controlled, and I didn't want to expose the electronics to the temperature and humidity fluctuations of Indiana. I think that covers all the basics for now. If you're interested in using a CNC in your home shop, but you don't know where to start, look no further. I'll teach you what a CNC is, what it can do, how it does it, how to choose one and set it up, and how to get the most out of it. I want to keep my content as relevant as I can, so if there's something you'd like me to cover, let me know. Send an email to buddy@homecncresource.com or find me on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Check back often to find the newest videos.